Welcome back to R.N.FitLife. It's your favorite nurse, Steve. And I just want to give you guys a good video on how to work out your arms. A 30-minute workout where you can incorporate doing a superset with your biceps and triceps. Meaning with a superset, once you finish a working set on either your bicep or your tricep, you move on to the next body part. And that's one complete set. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and I hope that also when you conclude this video, you try this workout on your own. And then tell me in the comments if you like it or not. And I forgot to mention, as always, if you care to follow, the routine is in the description. Now, let's get started. And I want to wish everybody a happy Labor Day. Today is actually Labor Day, so I just want to say, guys, happy Labor Day. Now, let's get started. So now we're starting off with some rope press downs, and where the target muscle that it focuses on is the long head, lateral head, and also the medial head. And as you can see here, I'm actually trying to not just go through the motions by just moving the weight, but I'm actually squeezing my triceps also when I come to the peak position, because I'm trying to activate it. You can just move the weight, but it's not going to give you any really benefits. Now here I'm using a straight bar to do some bicep curls. As you can see, I'm trying to bring the weight up by not using any momentum. I'm actually not even using my shoulders to bring the weight. I'm using all bicep to bring the weight up. As I stated before earlier in this video, this is a superset. So when we finish our last rep, we're going to jump right into the next exercise, which is our bicep curls, and we're going to do the next set. And once we complete that, then that is one complete set, and then we can rest. Now, by all means, if you feel like you cannot keep going and you need to take a break, please do so. Listen to your body. I don't want to see anybody get injured. I personally have been training for 16 years, so I can keep going. I have the endurance and the capability of doing so, but I don't want to see nobody get hurt. So if you need to take a break, please listen to your body and do rest. Alright guys, here we're doing some overhead tricep extensions. As you can see from the view, I'm actually leaning forward. I'm leaning forward to create some resistance to make the exercise a little bit more challenging. And then as you can see, I'm actually pulling the weight over my head, and then I'm separating the rope at the end. To create the distance, just take 1 or 2 steps in front of you before you start extending your hand when you begin the exercise. Now we're doing some single arm curls, and you already know how I feel about incorporating unilateral movements into your workouts to work on any imbalances in your muscles. So yeah, I'm just doing these curls, and to be honest with you guys, I feel good. Like I feel energized. I like working my arms. This exercise is one of my favorites. I like the pump that I get, and I'm just, going through the motions. But I'm also squeezing as I'm raising these dumbbells, and I'm just trying to have fun with it. So yeah, try to find your purpose. Some people come here for extracurricular activities. I come here personally to train and get results. I see people who've been training for the same amount of time as I have, or even longer, and they still look the same. I mean, a big part of this is not just lifting, but I think the hardest part is the eating. Eating is the hardest part, and the training is the easy part. But some people don't look at it like that way. But you have to want it to get the results that you need. So find your purpose. Next exercise that we're performing is the seated bicep curls, and this exercise focuses on the brachialis, short head, and long head of the bicep, just as the other bicep exercises we perform also in this video. This is a concentrated, slow rep exercise. So, try all these bicep exercises and let me know what you think. And I promise you, you'll feel like your biceps are about to explode. Now we're doing some reverse grip press downs. As you see, I'm actually gliding my hand behind me and getting that full stretch in my tricep. That actually activates the tricep when you fully extend your arm behind you and you get that full range of motion. That's what you want to focus on. You want to have full range of motion, and also you want to pause at the bottom and then bring your arm right back up as you see me doing so in the video. Triceps are the largest circumference of your arm, so take your time when you perform these exercises. And with every rep, try to think of it as making sweet love to that tricep. I come across a lot of people with big arms, but they lack the tricep muscle. Don't be one of those guys. Make sweet love to your triceps. Another angle to describe what I mentioned earlier as far as having that real meaty part behind your arm. If you enjoyed this video and find it very informative, don't forget to give it a like button and also hit that notification and subscribe. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next video.